Untreated ant infestations can create real health risks by contaminating food and triggering allergic reactions. Ants carry bacteria on their bodies from garbage and soil into kitchens and pantries, so store food in sealed containers and clean spills immediately to reduce contamination risk. Some species produce formic acid and other irritants that can worsen asthma or trigger skin rashes, so keep surfaces sanitized with a mild detergent and avoid leaving damp areas where ants forage. To limit transfer of pathogens, remove crumbs and greasy residues, empty trash frequently, and maintain a routine of wiping counters with an appropriate disinfectant safe for food surfaces. If you suspect ants are nesting inside walls or near plumbing, trace their trails back at night with a flashlight to find entry points and seal gaps of the size of a pencil or larger using caulk or mesh. Small cracks often hide large nests. Use baiting strategies rather than broadcast sprays when possible because baits are carried back to the colony and reduce the population at the source. Place baits along ant trails and out of reach of children and pets. For persistent infestations or if household members develop respiratory symptoms or skin reactions, document sightings and symptoms, and consult a licensed pest management professional and a healthcare provider to coordinate environmental control with medical evaluation. 3 common mistakes increase health risks. Cleaning only visible surfaces while leaving food residues in unnoticed areas allows contamination to continue, so expand cleaning to pantry shelves, under appliances, and inside rarely used containers. Relying solely on over-the-counter spray treatments often disperses ants into hidden voids and can worsen spread, so switch to targeted baits and focus on elimination of the colony. Ignoring allergic or respiratory symptoms and assuming they are unrelated can delay care, so track symptom patterns relative to infestation activity and seek medical advice if symptoms persist. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers resources on managing household pest and health issues. We help people find professionals and share experiences. We also host a discussion community where we and other members exchange practical tips and contractor recommendations.